Guys, welcome to Shop Rjpasini for great deals on eBay. You collect old books like this here. This book was copyrighted in 1955. It's called My Catholic Devotion. The case, however, is not in good shape, but I'm doing a little quick video presentation on it. And for those who are interested or do collect these type of books, check it out. It's coming up. Thanks. We have My Catholic Devotion book with the case. Now, I just want to go really quick with you guys. If you are a collector of these books, this is My Catholic Devotion. It says over here, Goodwill. It's from the Goodwill, I believe, right? Company, I believe. I'm just going to open up a couple pages, but I want to tell you a little about the case that it comes in. This is the case it comes in. And the case, folks, if you are a collector of these type of books, the case is very disheveled. I mean, look at this here. That's why I'm doing the video. I just want to show you a case. I couldn't show it. I mean, I took photos and stuff, but I want to let you guys know that the case is very disheveled. It's missing a part over here, as you can see. There's a piece of it missing, a chunk of this here. Okay. It's being held on by tape, apparently. I didn't do anything with it. I don't want to mess it up any more than what it is because, like I said, it is in pretty bad shape. You can see here. It's like the spine is coming off it there. You can see that. I don't know if you can see that really good, what you see there. The reason why you're probably wondering why would I do a video on a book, it's just that sometimes first off, I like to do videos, folks, for the simple reason is a video, you get more out of a video than you would just with still photos. And you know, I like the idea of also giving a little presentation with some of the items I sell. I don't do it on every single item, or else I'll be here for days on end and hours and hours of videos, doing that, because I mean, I do a lot of videos when it comes to sneak peek videos, demo videos, and intro videos, but I can't do videos for every single thing. But for something like this that comes along once in a while, I wouldn't mind doing a presentation on it. The book, like I said again, the case itself is in not good shape, I'll be honest with you, so as you can see that. But the booklet, I should say the book, is hardbound. Okay, it's a hardbound book. Well, it's hardbound, yeah, and it's got that feel, that leathery feel, but I don't think it's a leather-bound book. But the pages are crisp. In other words, they're not like bent or dirty or anything like that. Over here, you got some kind of marking over here. I don't know if you can see that, folks. Let me get a little closer so you can see it. There's a glare. Probably gonna mess you up. I'm sorry about that, folks. But the pages are overall, they're all intact, ripped. And what's nice about this too is if you were going to give it to somebody, folks. Here's your blank page here. There's no writing in here who it was presented to. I know sometimes when I go to thrift stores, if I look at Bibles and stuff like that, you will see that it has been written in here, which is a nice feature about this, because if you were going to give this, I know even though the book dates back to 1955, but if there is somebody that is a collector of these books, they probably would like to have it clean anyway. So that's a plus right there. Here you got some nice pictures here. This is a Goodwill Publishers book. Okay, that's what the Goodwill is there. Again, this is My Catholic Devotion, and you notice I don't want to bend the pages. I try to be very gentle with it. The reason why I know the date on it is I'm going to bring it really quick here I don't want to damage it. If you could see it right over here, folks, on the top, right where my finger is. I don't know if you can see that, but it says 1955 is the copyright on it. See right there? All right. The pages, like I said, they're still clean, crisp. You might have a little dust in here. Like I said, for a book that's from 1955, it's in pretty decent shape, I have to honestly say. The pages, like I said, they got no fold marks on them. There's no handwriting in them. You can see that there. I don't want to get too close to this. But the pages are in pretty nice condition, and they are still readable and clean as well. And let me just see if I can get some pictures here. You got some pictures like this here with the priest, right, doing that there. I'm not really sure what that is, folks. The prayer. But that's in the beginning of it, and like I said, I'm trying to be careful with this here. And then as you go towards the back of it, they have some black and white pictures here, photos over here. Okay, 10th station. I guess this is the station. Yes, the Station of the Cross. Okay, so you got that going on. Okay. Again, some more with the church priest, and you go back a little more here, then they start having the pictures with, you know, with the Jesus here. I don't know who that is. Like I said, but what I'm saying is, in general, the pages are very clean, and like I said, there's no damage on them. They're kind of like a semi-gloss. They're like the semi-gloss pages here. Okay, as you can see that. The gloss is reflecting off here. I'm sorry about the glare, folks. But as you can see here, it does have some nice, the pictures are really nice. They're really in nice condition. Okay, this is what we got going on here. I'm not going to go through all the book here because, you know, I don't want to take too much of your time. But this is what we got going on, folks. And if you are interested in this book, it is up. It's going to be on eBay, of course. You get the case with it. But again, folks, just remember one thing. If you are a collector of these type of books, this case is in very bad shape. Like I said, again, you can see it here in the video. That's why I do the videos. I'm not hiding anything. The piece is actually missing here. The back of the cover here is really messed up. Okay, but you know, that's what we got going on here. There's tape on the back here. I don't want to peel it, because if you try to peel it, you're going to peel the back of this off. You might say, well, what's the big difference? Other people say, what's the big deal? The thing's already disheveled. But, you know, I'd rather just leave it alone. I don't want to touch it. You know, like I said, that's how I picked it up. So for people who do collect these books, if you are interested in this here, please don't hesitate to, you know, message me on eBay, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions you have. As you can see over here, there was like a clear cellophane, you know, what do you call it there? It's, you know, it's coated, but you can see it's coming off here. Over here, I don't want you touching it, and over here it's missing a little piece of it on the corner there. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Anyway, I'm just going to close this video out. Well, that concludes the video presentation on this old vintage book I got here. So if you do like it, or if it was helpful to you in helping you make a decision as to whether you'd like to buy it or not, for those who are new to my channel, I just want to say thank you for checking it out, and for the new subscribers that have subscribed, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I really do appreciate it. And my name is Rjpasini from Rjpasini.com, and I do these video presentations. I do sneak peek videos, demo videos, and intro videos, and it's to help and inform you, the potential buyer. So I hope whatever you get out of this here, it helps out. And again, I don't want to take too much of your time. Thank you very much for stopping by. I hope this video helps. You guys have a great day. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye now.